Hello friends, today I'm sharing a quick 15-minute meal for those days or weeknights we don't have a lot of time to spend in the kitchen. And here are the simple ingredients you'll need. The main ingredient is shaved steak. You can purchase shaved steak in your supermarket. All you're looking for is shaved steak. I paid $8 or $9.99 for 14 ounces. I also get it at Aldi's sometimes. It's always good to have a couple of packs in your freezer. So this recipe is also the beginning of what you call pepper steak. You probably just need to add cheese. The other ingredients you'll need are onions, sliced garlic. I have sliced garlic here, about 6 cloves, 4 scallions chopped, and a bell pepper, red, yellow, or orange bell peppers. You can also add ginger. I'll add in a generous amount of oil. About 4 tablespoons. Now we'll add the steak to the pot. Once it's brown, you flip it. It's not necessary to get that brown char. If you're in a rush, you could easily skip that. You can start seasoning at this point, a little dash of salt. Black pepper, just freshly ground black pepper, and black pepper goes really well with steak. I'll add a tablespoon of green seasoning I made yesterday. Give it a stir. When that's done, I'm going to remove it from the pot and do the second set. I'm not used to these wooden spoons. I don't like it, but everyone says use wooden spoons. Very inefficient. Can you give me a regular spoon? Gonna add a touch more oil and the steak. We'll add a second batch. Same process, salt, black pepper, and we removed a little bit for Leo, and green seasoning. Stir it up quickly. Getting the char or the brown at the bottom is optional. You can add the veggies directly to this, but I'll just remove this so it does not overcook. And don't forget, you can also add ginger in here and a little bit of soy sauce, but I'm keeping it simple. A little more oil. And we'll add in all the veggies at the same time. And I chopped this yesterday and had it in the refrigerator cover. A quick stir. All that delicious flavor at the bottom. You'll pick it up with the veggies. Once the veggies start to release moisture, all the bottom of the pot will be cleaned. All that flavor will be extracted from there. You just want to sweat it a little bit, soften it a little bit. Add 1 tablespoon of green seasoning in there. The green seasoning is optional. Sometimes I don't add it if I don't have. It's very aromatic. Lovely smell of the peppers, the onion, the garlic, and the scallions. Now I'll return the beef to the pot. You can also call this pepper steak. You can make sandwiches or eat it with white rice. And in the sandwich you can grill it with cheese. And also add more peppers. This is all the peppers I had today. And that's it. You just have to taste it for salt. Add another dash of black pepper. And you're done. And you can also add soy sauce or oyster sauce to this. As I said, I'm keeping it clean and keeping it quick today. A lot of different variations. Soy sauce, you can mix the soy sauce with a little bit of sugar and add it. Or the soy sauce with oyster sauce and add it. And that's it. You're done. You can also add sesame oil. I think I'll add a little touch of sesame oil. I'll just finish up with a tablespoon or 2 of sesame oil, taste it for salt and pepper, and we'll serve it for a quick lunch with white rice, freshly steamed jasmine rice. And that's it. I hope you give this delicious recipe a try. Until next time, stay safe, be well, cook, share, and love. Bye bye.